Sunny Leone's performance in the song Pia Mori from the 2017 action thriller Badshaaho is a captivating blend of sultry charm, dynamic dance moves, and magnetic screen presence. Featured alongside Imran Hashmi, this peppy track became an instant hit, garnering over 10 million YouTube views within a day of its release on 24 July 2017. Let's dive into the elements that make Sunny's performance in this 4 minutes 17-second song a standout, exploring her visual appeal, choreography, chemistry with Hashmi, and the song's broader context. Sunny Leone's appearance in Pia Mori is nothing short of striking. Dressed in a black tribal-inspired ensemble adorned with silver jewelry, she exudes a bold and exotic vibe that perfectly complements the song's sultry tone. The costume, a mix of traditional and modern elements, accentuates her glamorous persona, with a topless sequence in a liquor barrel adding a daring edge that grabs attention. Her styling aligns with the song's setting, a brothel-like environment, enhancing the narrative of seduction and intrigue. The cinematography, directed by Milan Luthria, emphasizes her allure through close-ups and dramatic lighting, making her the focal point of every frame. This visual presentation reinforces Sunny's reputation as a Bollywood dance number icon, building on her previous hits like Baby Doll and Laila Main Laila. The choreography in Pia Mori showcases Sunny's ability to command the screen with her dance moves. The song, a high-energy mix of Hindi and English lyrics, features a desi modern fusion that demands both grace and intensity. Sunny delivers with fluid movements, blending contemporary Bollywood dance with seductive gestures that suit the song's provocative theme. Her performance is described as sizzling hot, with moves that set the stage, and even the water in the room, on fire. Unlike her previous dance numbers, this one stands out for its unique blend of traditional Indian elements and modern flair, making it distinct from tracks like Laila Main Laila from Raees. Her impeccable energy and expressive facial expressions amplify the song's appeal, captivating audiences and contributing to its viral success, as evidenced by dancer Vartika Jha's 2023 Instagram tribute to the track. Sunny's on-screen chemistry with Imran Hashmi is a highlight of Pia Mori. The song's narrative depicts Hashmi entering a brothel, where Sunny's character communicates with him through music and dance. Their pairing is electric, with Sunny's sultry performance complementing Hashmi's intense, charismatic persona. While the song avoids overt romantic gestures like kissing, unlike Hashmi's earlier, serial kisser roles, it evokes the sensuality of his films like Murder and Aashiq Banaya Apne. The interplay between their glances and synchronized movements creates a palpable tension, making the duo a dream pairing for fans. Social media reactions, including tweets from co-star Ileana D'Cruz calling the song Hubba Hubba worthy, underscore the duo's impact. The song, composed by Ankit Tiwari with lyrics by Manoj Muntashir and Saag by Mika Singh and Neeti Mohan, blends desi rhythms with modern beats, creating a track that's both catchy and situational. However, some critics note that the music doesn't break new ground, remaining confined to the film's narrative rather than standing out as a standalone hit. Despite this, Sunny's performance elevates the song, making it more than just a musical piece. The controversy surrounding allegations of plagiarism, filmmaker Jai Prakash claimed Pia Mori was lifted from his 2014 film's song Nasha Sar Pe Chadh Ke Bole, adds a layer of intrigue, though Tiwari denied the claims, asserting the song's differences. This debate didn't overshadow Sunny's contribution, which remained the focal point of the song's popularity. Sunny Leone's performance in Pia Mori solidified her status as Bollywood's go-to star for dance numbers. The song's massive online traction, with over 13 million views shortly after release, reflects her star power and fanbase. Her ability to deliver a performance that's both seductive and musically engaging underscores her versatility, transitioning from her earlier career to mainstream Bollywood success. The song's enduring appeal is evident in its continued resonance, as seen in viral dance covers years later. While Badshaaho itself was a heist drama set during the emergency, featuring stars like Ajay Devgan and Ileana D'Cruz, Sunny's guest appearance in Pia Mori became one of its most memorable elements, proving her ability to steal the show in just a few minutes. Her striking visuals, energetic choreography, and electric chemistry with Imran Hashmi make the song a standout in her filmography.